Hey guys, I'm back with some exciting news and we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S10. This one is surely going to spark a debate. So last time we talked about this patent which showed a brand new design from Samsung with the horizontal cameras. The Infinity Design 2.0 was there, just a top bezel and complete elimination of the bottom bezel, like completely eliminated. It looked amazing and now we have an update on that design. So Mark Peters from Let's Go Digital has sent me out some new Samsung patents. The Chinese Patent Office (CIPO) published a patent for Samsung Electronics on 30th March 2018. There are actually two patents that were filed. So first one is the one that turns all of you into a Hulk, and that is the notch. Never thought I would say this, but yes, the notch is here. It's the only bezel part on the phone because the rest is just completely screen. I mean, I can't see any side bezel or any bottom bezel on this phone. It's just so incredibly well made. Display goes all the way up thanks to the notch. I can able to extend the screen even further. So this notch is actually a little bit smaller than the iPhone X's notch, and it's gonna have the earpiece, front camera, all that sensor stuff. Personally, if you ask me, I am not pissed at all. Samsung is the only company after Apple that is doing the notch design right, even better than Apple, since the size will probably edge and there's no chin at all. That's the important part, something all these other notch Android phones don't have, and it looks pretty bad. So if you're gonna introduce a notch, make sure to get rid of the chin, and that's what Samsung is doing here. In my opinion, it looks futuristic as hell. The back design is very similar to the last design I showed you from the previous patents. We have the horizontal cameras at the top left, the headphone jack is still there, and once again, surprisingly enough, the Bixby key is missing. Now keep in mind that it is a patent, it's not a leak or anything, it's coming from Samsung itself, so they still have options. I dig down deep in this patent and I found that there are several more designs for the back. So there's a vertical camera one as well, one showing it in the middle, one showing it at the top left. But the notch design was consistent everywhere. Compared to the last patent with that top bezel, it does make sense. I mean, Samsung is thinking about giving us a maximum screen area. That's why the notch is implemented in this patent. Again, personally, I think they're doing it right and it does look futuristic. Now on to the second design, which Samsung also registered with CIPO, and this absolutely blows me away. Like, holy hell, this is the true Samsung's power. We have a complete screen up front with no bezel anywhere. It's a boxy design, and on the back we have a single camera in the middle, and that's it. Everything like fingerprint scanner, front camera, iris sensor, face sensor, earpiece, all that stuff seems to be under the display. And guys, honestly, this is what we want. But realistically speaking, I don't think Samsung has this technology yet, and the patent itself is very short. It's like 4 pages. It's not detailed how they're gonna achieve this, etc., which does tell that it's just a design patent. They have this vision, they're gonna do this in the future, but right now they don't have the tech to do it. So the first patent with the notch seems like the one Samsung could go for their 10th anniversary Samsung Galaxy S phone. And remember, it's a true notch implementation with no chin and even thinner bezels than the iPhone X. I know you can say that they're copying Apple, whatever, they made fun of Apple and now they're doing it themselves. Like I said, it's a patent, nothing is confirmed, but seems like this is the direction they are heading to. Anyways, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. What you think about this, let me know in the comments. Let's start a discussion, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.